Hello everyone, you're welcome to this channel. On this channel we make sewing fun and easy. Today I'll be taking you through the steps of making this pocket. Remember to subscribe to this channel to benefit from the videos we post every week. Without taking much of your time, let's delve in. Get your pattern paper and place it on fold. The length of the pocket is 6 inches. So mark 6 inches as seen. The width of the pocket is 2.25 inches. That is on fold. So use your ruler to mark the lines out. Mark 2.5 inches at the middle and from the side mark 1 inch. After marking, connect with lines. Mark 0.75 and 0.625, and on this part mark 0.625. Connect with a line. Now on the bottom mark 0.5 and create a curve. The bottom part of the pocket will not be left square, it's going to be curvy, right? So we cut this part away. So cut it off with scissors to get the pattern you have created. All right, get a brown paper which is a constructing color rather. Mark 0.5 inch on the sides and connect with a line. Now trim out the pattern you have created. Now cut off the 0.625 and place it on another paper on fold. Now on this part add 0.5 and connect with a line. Now trim off the pattern you have created with that because we're going to use them for our interfacing. So this is how this pocket is going to look like. So we cut our interfacing right away. The width of the pocket is 4.5 inches plus 1, that is 5.5 inches. The length is 6 plus 1.75, that is 7.75. So on the top mark 1.25, which is for the folding of the top of the pocket. Now place the pocket pattern. You have the 0.5 inch on the side. So draw the curve down by dragging the pattern down to get the exact curve. Now on the part we cut off, use the ruler to draw out the shape so that we'll cut it off. So cut it off using your shear. Now on this pattern also get the shape, and at the top add 1.25 inches, which is the hemming of the pocket top. All right. So don't forget to add that seam allowance. Now on this other pattern mark 1.25 inch, which is for the hemming of the top of the pocket. Draw a straight line and then place the pattern on top of it and get exactly the same shape. All right. So after drawing, you trim it out with scissors. Now we'll move over to the table to apply all of this on the fabric with which we are going to use to sew the pocket. Now gum or apply the pocket interfacing on the desired fabric color. After doing that, trim off the excesses. Now on this part add 0.5 inch on the sides and trim it off. So after trimming, notch the corners and ensure you notch very well and not excessively. Fold all the corners and apply heat adhesive tape underneath and ensure you secure it in place. Now this could be a contrasting color, it could be check, polka dots or whatever. Apply it on the desired one and trim it off rather. Now this is the last piece. It could also be a contrasting color or the same color as the pocket. Apply it on the fabric and trim off the other corners. Now on the angular part add 0.5 inch because we're going to fold that part. All right. So after much, you trim off the excesses and fold it with iron. You can also apply your heat adhesive tape underneath. So right now we're going to go over to the sewing machine to assemble all the parts together. Okay. Now place the smaller part on the contrasting color, the check or polka dot, and sew with a seam allowance of 0.25 inch. Ensure your lines are straight. Okay. Now trim off the excess on the wrong side as seen. So this is what you have. Fold it to form a crease at the center. You can mark that with a chalk as well. Now the width of the opening here is 2.5 inches, so we have enough allowance. Form a crease at the center like I said earlier. Now place it on top. All right, so we're going to add, I just decided to add a weight to it. The width is 1.25 inch, so you just fold it and iron it. Place it underneath and sew on the edge. All right, so this is 1.25 inch. Remember to maintain the width of the pocket while you sew. So also place the wet fabric on the edge as seen. After much, you trim off all the excesses. All right, trim off all the excesses. As you can see, we are gradually coming to the end. You can serge the edges of the pockets. Remember, neat finishing is key. Iron it and clip the 2.25 inches added at the top of the pocket to fold the pocket. Fold the pocket with electric iron and also apply heat adhesive tape to secure it in place. All right. Remember, if you derive value from this video, give it a thumbs up to enable more people see and also benefit from the video. Now the total width here is 5.5 inches, so our pocket width is 4.5 inches. So we fold 0.5 inches or 0.5 inch rather on both sides. Okay, also repeat that on this side. Ensure you are folding 0.5 inch so that at the end of the day our pocket width will be 4.5 inches. Also fold the bottom following the curve. It is also 0.5 inch seam allowance. And this is just how the pocket looks. We have just finished the pocket. Please, if you derive value from this video, like this video to enable more people see and benefit from what you are benefiting from. Okay, you can share to your other colleagues. Till when next I come your way, don't forget, the more you practice, the more confident you get. Bye for now.